Statistical zero is the probability that if something falls below that, then the chance that that event will happen or will have happened is zero. Basically, if chances are so slim that it reaches statistical zero, then that event is impossible. Okay, now what's this got to do with anything? Let's say I flip a coin. Okay, we all know that if I flip a coin, then chances are 50-50 that it'll end up on heads. Alright, it's a 1 out of 2 chance. Okay, now what are the chances that I'll win the Powerball lottery? It's a 1 over 1 followed by about 8 zeros. Okay, a 1 in 100 million chance that I will win the Powerball lottery. Now what's statistical zero? Statistical zero is a 1 over 1 followed by 50 zeros. Okay? Now, what are the chances, do you think, that our world is the proper distance from the sun in order to support life? 1 out of 10? 1 out of 1,000? 1 out of 1,000,000 maybe? Let's just say it's 1 out of 10. Alright, what are the chances that there's enough oxygen in the atmosphere to support life on this planet? Let's also call that 1 out of 10. What are the chances that, there's enough sulfur in the ocean, which also has to be exact in order for there to support life in this planet? Let's say it's 1 out of 10 also. A guy by the name of Jim Wallace.
If you're looking at the book to decide if there is something supernatural, God, then you cannot come to the text deciding in advance that there's nothing supernatural, God.
Came up with 322 different areas that have to be very precise in order for there to be life on this planet. Now, Jim Wallace isn't even a scientist. Scientists have developed thousands of different areas that have to be exact on this planet in order for there to support life. Okay, so if there are 322 different areas and all have a 1 in 10 chance that that event will happen, like proper distance from the sun to the earth, or proper amount of oxygen in the atmosphere, anything like that, we know that that probability is a 1 over however many different parameters are involved. So for instance, Jim Wallace has 322 parameters. That means it's a 1 over 1 followed by 322 zeros, so long as each one is a 1 in 10 chance. But we know that most of those parameters are going to be far more than a 1 in 10 chance, okay? If I just randomly throw a planet into the universe, chances that it's going to be the proper distance from the Earth to the Sun is going to be way less than 1 in 10. But let's give him the benefit of the doubt. The probability that this planet is able to support life, not even intelligent life, is a 1 over 1 followed by 322 zeros. Basically, I guess my question is, why isn't every atheist a compulsive gambler? Something outside of probability or math or statistics placed us here. That, I would say, is God.